I tried it so you don't have to. Pumping edition. So I've tried 2 other breast pumps before the Motif Luna, and nothing takes out as much milk as this does. You get more milk in less time. Guys, when I tell you the milk just like pours in, it sounds like you turned on a faucet. This is not how it sounds with other pumps. I am honestly so impressed. It's like music to my ears hearing this thing like psh. I have been breastfeeding for 16 months and this thing is extracting my milk. Like, I am impressed.
So here's the final product after a 30-minute pump session. It was about an 8-ounce cup that I filled. I usually do about 2 to 3 ounces on each boob, but with this one I was able to do about 3.5 to 4 ounces. So this is my stash at the end of the week. I'm so impressed and I wish I would have discovered the Motif Luna sooner.